Today, we're taking a closer look at a device that's redefining what pocket-sized cameras can do, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Whether you're a content creator, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who loves capturing high-quality video on the go, this compact powerhouse is worth your attention. The next leap in portable cameras: compact, powerful, and incredibly smooth. That's the Osmo Pocket 4 in a nutshell. DJI, known for pushing the boundaries of imaging and stabilization, has once again delivered a device that doesn't just compete in the action camera market, it transforms it. With this latest model, they've managed to blend professional-grade features with ultra-portable convenience, creating a tool that's perfect for creators of all levels. Industry-leading stabilization. What sets this camera apart is its outstanding mechanical gimbal stabilization. Unlike digital stabilization that crops the image and sometimes sacrifices quality, the Osmo Pocket 4 uses an advanced 3-axis gimbal system that ensures buttery smooth footage, no matter how intense the motion. Mountain biking, skateboarding, or simply walking through a city, your footage will stay fluid and cinematic without compromise. Designed for real-world ease of use is a major strength here. The intuitive touchscreen interface allows for seamless switching between modes, quick access to settings, and real-time footage previews, all from a single screen. In action-packed scenarios where every second counts, this kind of responsiveness is essential. Stunning video and image quality equipped with a high-resolution sensor, the Osmo Pocket 4 captures 4K video with excellent color accuracy and dynamic range. Whether filming in harsh sunlight or softer golden hour light, the footage pops with vibrancy and clarity. It also performs impressively in still photography, making it a versatile tool for both video and photos on the move. Built to handle low light scenes have traditionally been a weak point for compact cameras, but not anymore. Thanks to a larger sensor and smarter image processing, this camera handles evening scenes, indoor environments, and nightscapes with remarkable clarity. Grain is minimized, details stay sharp, and color remains natural. Capture every frame in style. For those who love cinematic slow motion, the Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't disappoint. It can shoot at high frame rates, giving creators the ability to emphasize key moments with dramatic flair. Whether it's an epic jump, a splash in the waves, or a slow pan across a landscape, every detail is preserved in stunning clarity. Power that keeps up with your battery anxiety is real, especially when filming in the wild. This device features an efficient power system that extends recording time without bulking up the camera. You'll get more runtime out of each charge, letting you focus on creativity rather than battery levels. Lightweight. Yet tough as the name suggests, this camera truly fits in your pocket. Despite its featherweight size, it's built to handle life's bumps and jolts. Durable materials and tight construction ensure it survives daily wear and tear, making it an ideal choice for travel, adventure, or vlogging. Stay connected, stay creative. Connecting the camera to a smartphone is quick and easy, opening the door to even more possibilities. The dedicated app lets you edit, preview, and upload footage on the go. No need to wait until you're back at your computer. It's the perfect setup for creators who need fast, flexible workflows. Built to grow with you. One of the most underrated features? Regular firmware updates. DJI consistently rolls out improvements that boost performance, introduce new tools, and expand functionality. That means the camera you buy today will keep getting better over time, a solid investment for creators who want to future-proof their gear. Final verdict: who should get the Osmo Pocket 4? After testing this camera across different environments and use cases, one thing is clear: it punches way above its size. The stabilization is top tier, the video quality is excellent, and the entire user experience feels well thought out. It's perfect for solo creators, daily vloggers, travelers, or anyone who needs pro-level results in a compact package. There's always room for improvement. Advanced manual settings and more accessory options would be welcome, but those are small trade-offs for a product that otherwise delivers across the board. If you're serious about content creation and want a reliable, high-quality camera that can go anywhere, the Osmo Pocket 4 is more than worth a look. It's not just small, it's smart, stable, and built for the modern creator.